program of the Department of Health is presently under the non-communicable diseases section. But with the advent of the passage into law, the mental health law, there will be changes. We expect that to happen siguro after directives of our national office. But for now, in the past years, right after the tragic Yolanda incident, World Health Organization has been actively working with the Department of Health financially and technically on the provision of capability buildings to our local government units, particularly the nurses and the doctors, to respond to cases of mental health problems. So in fact, today our point person who should have been here too has an ongoing training on capacity building of mental health. We call it the Mental Health Global Action Program, spearheaded by the World Health Organization, and it's ongoing. So all these years, we've been doing also our share in trying to capacitate people in handling our brothers and sisters afflicted with such problem. And we are very happy today that it's not just this work of one entity, but we are now gathered as one, and all this supporting together to come up with this, as what was previously discussed by Sir Alvin. That's about it.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Florian Adlawan, the Chapter Service Representative for Health Service of Cebu Chapter. For PRC, we have this arm office, like support office in the national headquarters, which focuses on the occupational safety and health, which focuses mainly also to with the mental health of our responders and staff, because they are directly engaged with the survivors. So we had to train them first to fully equip and capacitate on how to deal with different types of situations. So this office as well has psychometricians. Like if there is a need in all over, this psychometrician is situated in our national headquarters in PRC Tower. And if there's a need for other chapters to ask for the expertise of that person, is directly available. But for in chapter level, so we have practice briefing and debriefing before engaging into situations. Like we had this situational conference on what is the situation, so that our responder is also able to prepare mentally, physically, holistically before going to a response. So that is it.
So, I'll start.